working on GMetrix Excel Multi-Project 3. Currently we're on Project 3 called Grain Production. Task 1 asks us to go ahead and remove all hidden properties and personal information from this workbook. So we want to click File to enter the Backstage view. And from here we want to click the Check for Issues Inspect Document. And we can leave everything checked, but the one that we want to make sure is checked is called Document Properties and Personal Information. And it tells us that it inspects for hidden metadata or personal information saved with the document. So we'll go ahead and click Inspect. And once we do that, it says that it did find some data in here. We want to click Remove All. And then we can click Close and exit out of the Backstage view. We'll click Mark Completed. Task 2 asks us to go ahead and in the Grain Production worksheet apply the title style to cell 1. So cell A1. So we'll go ahead and we'll click that. We see it's a merged cell. And from here we want to go, we're on the Home tab, we want to go to the Styles group, Cell Styles. And then from here we just want to apply this title. We'll click Mark Completed. Task 3 asks us to stay on this worksheet. It's the only one. And we're going to modify the table style to remove the shading that appears on every other row. And so we want to click in this table, and we'll click the Table Tools Design tab because we're in that table. And what we want to do is just uncheck the banded rows, and notice that that formatting disappears. We can click Mark Completed. Task 4 asks us to go ahead and sort this table by country alphabetically from A to Z. So currently it's in Z to A. So what we want to do is we're going to select our heading, country product and metric tons, and we want to select all of the data in that table because when we go, if you just select that one column, it's going to ask you, would you like to extend this data? So we'll go ahead and click Data, we'll click Sort, and country is already out in this populated, and notice it says Z to A. We just want to switch it A to Z, and we'll click OK. Click Mark Completed. And Task 5 asks us to go ahead and insert a formula in the cell E4 that calculates the total production of only barley. And so we'll go ahead and in E4, we're going to go ahead and insert a function. Now the function that we need to use is called SUMIF. We'll click that. Our range is going to be our product, so we'll go ahead and select that entire range. And our criteria is we only want you to look for barley. And if you see barley, we want you to add it up. So that's our sum range, is this second column, the metric tons. So what we did, just to summarize this, is we've told Excel to the function here to look at the product column and only look for the word barley. If you see barley, we want you to add up that production. So we'll go ahead and click OK. And that's only barley's production. We'll click Mark Completed.